Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner. Nagluto tayo ng special pansit bami, mix pansit bihon and canton. Nag-add pa tayo ng isang buong chicken and in-slice natin ito into small size. Ugasan natin ng maiging ating fresh chicken and yung ating mga fresh gulay. Magisa ng sibuyas, maraming sibuyas and bawang. Igisa na rin natin ng ating fresh chicken cut into small size. Continue ang pagigisa hanggang lumabas ang kanyang aroma. Magad tayo ng ating oyster sauce, soy sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. At magad tayo ng ating hot water. Lagad pa tayo ng ating chicken cubes. And continue lang ang ating pagpapakulo sa ating ginagawang sabaw para sa ating pansit bami, mix bihon and canton. Pag yummy na at luto na ang ating chicken, magad tayo ng ating slice of carrots and yung ating cabbage. Ipapapad natin ang ating pansit bihon for about 10 minutes. I-add na rin natin ang ating pansit bihon at yung ating pansit canton. And huli natin nilalagay ang ating fresh dito. Sinugasan na natin ito ng maigi para crunchy ito. Luto na ang ating masarap special mix bami, pansit canton and bihon. Nag-add pa tayo ng ating ahos or string beans para sa ating dressing. Para sa ating cold drinks, gawa tayo ng ating smoothie, carrots and apple. And meron pa itong almonds and cashew nuts. Yung ating fresh slice of apple, carrots, almonds, and cashew nuts. Meron pa tayong oats, yung ating powdered milk, and honey. And ibili lang natin ito, bagad tayo ng ating mineral water. And meron pa tayong peanut para super yummy talaga ito. Blend it well and meron tayong masarap na smoothie, fruits, and vegetable. Napaka-yummy nito and very healthy pa. For hot drinks, meron tayong onion tea, slice of onion, counting bawang, and counting slice of loya. Lagad tayo ng ating tea seeds, papakulo lang natin ito, at meron tayong napakasarap na onion tea. Nagad pa tayo ng cinnamon and turmeric powder para mabango ito, and very healthy din ito. Kain tayo guys for masarap na dinner. And guys, don't forget to follow, like, comments, and share. And you can also subscribe. Kain tayo, let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye, ingat pa.